to the Stupid Food Review Show. I'm your host, as always, Jason Tortilla, or Dairy Queen, for the new Candy Cane Chill. I don't even know what it's called. It is called the Candy Cane Chill, just like I said. And it's a Candy Cane Chill Blizzard. It's chocolate, peppermint, just all kinds of good stuff. Looks pretty damn good. I love peppermint and chocolate. I love it. I love it. Here we go. Only a DQ. The chocolate what the hell? Something candy chill. I can't remember. But it's peppermint and chocolate. Oh, that's cold. Oh, that's cold. Very crunchy, too. There's a lot of stuff in this. There you go. If you can see in the background, DQ sign. I like this. Peppermint, chocolate. It's called the Candy Cane Chill Blizzard. It's pretty damn good. I'm going to say it's a real quick one. I don't know why I do reviews of ice cream. It only takes a couple minutes to do it. You don't want to sit here and listen to me for 10 minutes. But, like I said, DQ, Candy Cane Chill, pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. So there you go. Got the Candy Cane Chill at DQ. Oh, how much is that? I can tell you that. Woo! $4.19. God damn! That's $4 for that. Holy shit! All right. That's it. That's now I'm bummed. The review's $4. All right. Love you guys. Love you, babe.